we'd like to introduce 3 popular music. From first 2 music, we are learning left-hand chord movement and music structure. From the last music, we'll be learning how rhythm pattern keeps the music. And because of the rhythm pattern, melody can come very freely. That is a very interesting experience. We are hoping you enjoy playing and listening the music. At the same time, you will be enjoying learning how the music is composed. Thank you. First pattern on this music is left hand. You see D, B flat, F, C. These 4 left hand notes continuously keep the music. Next, we talk about music structure. First, you have introduction. Then first melody. And on second page, second melody appears. This melody repeats 2 times. Then, last part, you listen the same melody as introduction. Second music is from Coffin Dance. We are talking about how left hand 3 notes keeps the melody. And this music, there are only 2 melody lines. The first one. And the second melody. These 2 melody lines keep the music and became very popular worldwide. This is the last music. The example is how the rhythm keeps the music. So this music, the rhythm pattern is a foundation of the music and the melody is coming very freely. Here is the rhythm pattern. but the melody is coming very freely.